hear me? You mean either? Hello, can you hear me? My studies suggest that every mass defect in the universe, whether in a particle accelerator laboratory or in a nuclear reaction or stellar collisions, colliding neutron stars, colliding black holes, all this release, all this create mass defects, and a mass defect is converted into a super thin form of matter called ether. Ether, as I said in my early videos, ether concept is not a new concept. It has a long history, but since the 1887, the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment, scientific community started to discredit this idea. However, there are other ways to detect ether, and if you watch my previous videos, you can understand. So I request you. You can't hear me? One second. Hello, testing. Hello. You can't hear me? Hello. Testing. Hello. Now, can you hear me now? Please answer. Can you hear me? I'm not audible. Hello. Okay. Yeah, I'll talk louder. So, in 1887, with the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment, the negative result, they conducted an interferometer setup, and thank you. The result of the Michelson-Morley experiment led scientific community to start discredit or ignore the ether. However, there are other ways to detect ether. If you watch my previous videos, I explain about how to evidences of ether and methods to detect ether. I request you kindly, if you are not aware of that, I request you to kindly visit my video, watch my videos. So every mass defects in the universe, whether in a particle accelerator, a collision experiment, or nuclear reactions, that artificial or nuclear reactions happening in stars, or stellar collisions, black hole collisions, neutron star collisions, all these kind of events release create mass defect, and mass defect is converted into a super thin form of matter. In fact, Einstein's idea of mass energy equivalence is not my investigation says that the mass energy equivalence is not consistent with the observable evidences. In fact, every mass defect is converted into a super thin form of matter. In fact, the release of energy in a nuclear reaction is because of the change in the state of matter. When ordinary matter, when it turns into ether, it explodes violently. For example, I assume that a gram of matter, when it becomes ether, its volume increase. The ratio of the expansion is like this: a gram of matter can be converted into a cubic kilometer volume of ether in millionth of a second. So this kind of fast, rapid, huge expansion of matter can explain nuclear energy. When a mass defect happens, the mass defect shoots the product particles in every direction, and when these particles collide with the surrounding matter, results in the generation of heat energy. In fact, whenever a mass defect happens, we can see the particles are getting in a high speed. This indicates that this clearly shows the explosion that is happening with the mass defect. So, if this is the case, every active stars, as I said earlier, every stellar collisions, black hole collisions, all this creates a large amount of mass defect, and this is converted into ether. Since this ether, if you take an individual unit of ether, since it is another form of matter, it has all qualities of ordinary matter. It has mass, it can be attracted by gravity also. So, therefore, each massive body, because of its gravity, every massive body maintains a denser ether region around that body. In fact, I showed one picture in this. It's a gravitational lens. In fact, it's a very it's a massive body. That massive body maintains a denser ether region around that star or that object, and it has a ether bubble around that massive body. In fact, it acts like a lens. So that is what we are seeing. Actually, the gravitational lensing is in fact is just a refraction of light. It's like a lens. Act like the optical lens. The optical density of this region is high, so light bend, refract and bend. So that can explain gravitational lens and starlight bending, like such phenomena. So I request our NASA this recent James Webb telescope team that when you see a gravitational lens, in fact you are seeing a denser ether bubble. So in fact we need to rewrite our current belief, so that our it will open a new window to the universe. So I request my viewers, please watch my other videos also. Yes, we can dictate either. There are so many phenomenon we can interpret as evidences of either. For example, as I said, this gravitational lens is one of the we can consider as one of the evidences, and gravitational redshift, and the precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, this S2 stars orbit around the galactic center, time dilation, gravitational time dilation due to speed. All these phenomena we can find better explanations with either. In fact, when Einstein developed his relativistic theories, he completely ignored the possibility of space-filling substance. So he came into a different conclusion, and that's what the history of the development of the theory of relativity. In fact, once we accept the existence of the ether, then we can find better alternative explanations for all phenomena which explained or predicted by the theory of relativity. Dark matter, I have a better explanation for dark matter. I'll share a link, so better I will I will share a link. Wait 1 minute. Let me share a link of what is dark matter. Now I shared a link of dark matter. This is my explanation for dark matter. You can click the link and You can watch the video. Excuse me, I'll come right now. Yes. Yeah, yes. 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 Can you hear me? I'm audible to you. Am I audible to you? Anybody? No. Hmm?
No,
Hmm.
when I was sleeping,
Hmm.
I bent to this side.
Hmm.
It's now like cramped. I can't walk properly. If I run also, I can't bend my leg. This leg. Several times.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to stop the streaming. See you in the next time. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.